Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to fix your profile was signed out in Call of Duty Warzone. First step is, try to restart the game and the console or PC. And check the Activision server status if the server is okay. Now if it's okay, try to open the game. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Restart your modem and then relog into Activision account. Step 3. Clear cache on console. Power off console completely, not rest mode. Unplug it for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug back in and turn it on. Now on PC, clear Battle.net or Steam download cache. You can find it on settings. Last step is unlink and relink your Activision account. And if it still doesn't work, reinstall the Warzone. And that's basically it.